Hello guys, welcome to Code with BK. So in this video, I'm going to solve question 2 of ICSE Computer Science Computer Applications paper 2019. Else if and switch case. Okay, so this question is interesting and it really depends upon you how you take on to answer these questions, since it's a 2 marks question. So 2 points of difference are expected. So one you can write that for if else if and for switch. So so in switch only equality is compared, okay, to check for a case. So whereas in if else if you can have logical comparison as well. For example, you can have here like if a is less than 10 and a is an integer, but here you can have only like something switch a and then you can have case 10, something like this. Okay, so so don't write these as an example. For example, you need to write it properly. Okay, for another thing you can say that, so if you omit break, okay, so you can fall through cases till a break is found. So there is nothing like a fall through in if. So whatever, so if a condition is not true, control goes to else. Control goes to else. So basically it's about fall through and going to else here, and it is about logical comparisons as well, plus equality in if else if and only equality in switch. Okay, and then you can write about the syntax that in the switch, the if there is a comparison, so the whatever statement is under the case is executed. For if else if, whatever is under the if block is executed. So in switch, if the equality is not true, it is compared with the other cases, and if in the if part, if the condition is not true, it is compared with the other else conditions, else if and else condition. Okay, moving on to part B, it says string p is equals to 20, q is equals to 19, a is equals to integer dot pass in p, so a becomes 20. Okay, no error because p is proper integer string. Okay, and b is equals to dot value of q, again it becomes 19. Okay, so you can use either ways to convert a string into the corresponding integer. Okay, so your system dot out print ln, so the output is 2019 without any space, and you can write with a change in line. Okay, moving on to part C, what are the various types of errors in Java? So the most common ones are compilation or syntax, and the other one you can write is runtime. Okay, so there is one more type you can think of is as logical error. Okay, so what you are supposed to mention two, so write any two. State the data type and value of result after the following executed. So character ch is 9, result is equal to character is digit. So basically this is digit, okay, is a member function, is a static member function of class character, and it checks if the input ch is a digit or not. So since 9 is a digit, it's a character, it's a digit, so result is true and data type is boolean. Okay, since the return value of character dot is digit, ch will be true. Okay, so this is the answer for part D. Moving on to part D, what is the difference between linear search and binary search? So linear search can happen on sorted, unsorted array, okay, where we check each value of array, okay, against value to be searched. Okay, and here works on a sorted array. And then you can write the complexity. So the worst case for linear search is O n, and for binary search it is O log n, where n is the size of the array. Okay. So I hope this video was helpful. So please do like this video and subscribe to my channel for more such videos, and thank you for watching.